industry. Service beyond self. Service beyond self. I'm thinking about you all. I love you all. I came with the border. It shows that I'm all over. I can reach anywhere. This is my father who gave birth to this mighty lady Phina. He's there by my side at every moment. Never enough your challenge on national leadership. I lean on him.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you. You know now.
For any competitor. Ready for you?
Taata
otherwise, I'm very, very happy. I feel like crying. My dream is becoming true. Musicians, we should be one. We have the strongest bargaining power. We should use this time when the government has the ear for us. We are already on the board of the private sector. We are advocating for a ministry. Please, musicians, leave the showbiz on stage. When it comes to business, please let's be a team. We have the biggest bargaining power. You don't know how we can drive this country. Musicians, you're the best and fastest communicators.
Yes, we are.
We are busy pressing the government. They should come on board and look at the creative sector. First and foremost, the creative sector is not on the budget of Uganda, and we contribute to the national GDP. So we are advocating for the nation, for the people in charge, to put the creative sector on the budget, because we contribute a percentage to the national budget. Besides advocating for our ministry, I'm here to bridge you. For the time I've been in the Uganda Musicians Association, I've met people. Please share my contacts with you. I want to share my contacts with you.
Thank you.
Please, let's embrace the industry. Let us unite. It is time for reconciliating, for continuity. Eyes on the creative industry. All eyes on you. Don't joke around. This is not a joking matter. If you're coming in for leadership, you have come to work. It is not showbiz. When you come for leadership, be with two personalities. Stand on one side when it comes to leadership. Even if it means you going to the ground, you will go there.
Amen.
We have done much. We have history for women. We are no longer a pocket association. We have an address. We are national. That is part of the things we've done in the industry.
Thank you.
We are already overpressing the government to work with us, and they are giving us the ear. Please, musicians, come on board. Let's be one. Let's have a collective voice for collective bargaining for God and my country on the bridge.